something epic with this watermelon. Great idea, son. Let's create a watermelon whale. Dad, we can't let them outdo us. Let's use this pineapple to make a pineapple parrot. Absolutely. Let's get crafting. Behold, the watermelon whale. It even spouts water. Presenting the pineapple parrot. It can flap its wings. Looks like our creations have a life of their own. Indeed, a fruit-fueled adventure begins. Teamwork and creativity make anything possible, especially when fruits are involved.